Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen mirroring is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your screen mirroring is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go ahead to your settings here. Just scroll down, go to connected devices, click on smart view, and you have to make sure that you have enabled your location services and you also allow your smart view to use your location services. Then just scroll down from here. Make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi, cellular data, location service also all enabled. And here you have to also make sure that your second device like your TV or your LED has been also turned on and in your connecting feature, and then go ahead to your general management section, go to reset network settings. It might be your mobile network settings. You can also reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then click on reset settings. Click on reset again. It will reset your network settings. If there will be any issue with your network settings, it will be fixed in the steps, so you will not get that issue again. If you're still facing the same issue, just scroll down in Control Center, click on this power icon, click on Restart, and then click on Restart again to make a restart with your device. After restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.